How to stay motivated? This is the biggest question on the internet today. Do you know why motivation is the biggest problem in our generation? Oh, I don't have the money. I don't have the skills. I don't have the time. Oh, I don't have what it takes to just get up and do what needs to be done. To dream big takes courage. To make those dreams into reality takes courage, commitment, and insanity. And they come from a heart which is full of love and wants to make a difference, and a heart that wants to give. You know why a deer which runs all its life from the lion to save itself, the moment its child is born, stands tall? You know why a farmer works day and night, through heat, through wind, and through the storm, only so that he can give a better life to his child? Have you ever thought, what if the soldier on the border, for once, loses his motivation and decides to see his old and weak parents, his child and his wife who awaits him every year? You know why, in spite of a zillion motivational videos, 1,000 stories, 100 books, nothing actually motivates you to get up, do what it takes, own up, take responsibility, have the courage, commitment, and insanity to build a legacy? The I syndrome. What will I get out of it? What will be my salary, my bonus, my lifestyle? Guess what? Nothing. Because how much do you actually need? Maybe from a Samsung to an iPhone, maybe a better house, a better car, and that is all. The problem is you already have everything. You are too comfortable to be courageous, too comfortable to be committed, too comfortable to be insane. Believe me or not, there's nothing, absolutely nothing, which makes a human happy than knowing that he or she is of value and is worthy and is touching lives. And this will only happen when you shift from what will I get out of it mentality to how can I give? How can I serve? Find your why, your reason to give, your community to be built, your people to be touched, and you will never fall short of motivation, because there will never be enough goodness in this world. There will never be enough lives to be touched. Find your why. Make a difference. When you live for yourself, only you live for yourself. But when you live for others, every person lives for you.